warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to say thank you for coming to my presentation even though virtually. Hopefully, the situation will improve soon and we will meet in person soon. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fitri Ayu Salafi from class 12 Science 5. By the way, in this presentation, I will explain about a supermoon. Actually, what is a supermoon? Supermoon is a phenomenon where the moon at full phase looks bigger. Supermoon is not a term in astronomy, but a term in astrology. Among astrologers, supermoons are usually associated with the presence of evil force or disaster. Meanwhile, according to astronomers, a supermoon is a phenomenon that occurs at the full moon and at the same time as perigee. Perigee is the position of the moon is at the closest point to the Earth. The technical name is perigee syzygy, from the Earth-Moon Sun system, or the full or new moon around perigee. This name comes from the process of supermoon occurs. Supermoon occurs because the moon in its full phase is at the perigee point and the position of the Earth, Moon, and Sun are in the straight line. This is related to Kepler's law, which says that the trajectory of celestial bodies is elliptical, so that one day the celestial bodies will orbit their center by being at the closest point. In this case, the moon orbits the Earth so that it has the closest point to the Earth called perigee and the farthest point from the Earth called apogee. Usually, the supermoon will be 8 until 16 bigger and 16 until 30% brighter. So, the moon will be a giant rock ball in the sky at the same time. This phenomenon is rare because it only happens once in 14 months. Some people believe that the supermoon can cause natural disasters such as earthquakes, tsunamis, and high tides. So, that not a few people believe and feel afraid to this phenomenon. According to NASA, supermoon do not cause natural disaster and only raise sea levels by a few inches. This happens because of the influence of the moon's gravitational force. In conclusion, supermoon seems like the moon is larger because it is in full phase. Everything that people believe about natural disaster caused by the supermoon so far cannot be explained scientifically. Supermoon only have a very small impact, like a tidal wave of seawater. Therefore, before we believe in something, we have to prove it first. Not necessarily we have believed so far is true. This is all for me. Thank you for your listening. May all those we have shared be beneficial from all of us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.